Good morning. I am Vijay Lakshmi Priya, Associate Professor of Dr. Ambedkar Government Arts College, Chennai. I am going to deal about adulteration in food. What is adulteration? Adulteration is a legal term meaning that food product fails to meet a federal or state standard. According to Government of India's Prevention of Food Adulteration Act 1954, Clause 1, if the article sold by the vendor is not of the nature or substance or quality demanded by the purchaser. For example, the seller is certifying the product is 100% organic, and an analysis we find trace amount of chemicals, pesticides, then it is food adulteration. According to the second clause, if the article contains any other substance or processed article which is not mentioned in the label, here for example again the seller is certifying it is 100% ghee, it is that is animal fat, but on analysis we find trace amount of vegetable fat, that is hydrogenated fat, then it is food adulteration. If any inferior or cheap substance that has been substituted wholly or parted, here usage of cheap or inferior substance like papaya seed is added to the pepper, which is the pepper is a costly spice and king of spice, and papaya is a cheap substitute. According to the fourth clause, if any constituent of the article which has been wholly or partly abstracted, here the seller is certifying it is a full cream milk, but he cheats by removing few parts of cream, and if it is not full cream milk, then it is food adulteration. If the article has been kept, prepared, packaged under unsanitary conditions, for example, if the vegetable or any slaughtered animal, fresh vegetable, slaughtered animal kept under unsanitary conditions, and packed products like a bakery products or a biscuits, pickles which is kept under unsanitary conditions which are unfit for human consumption, is known as adulteration of food. If the article consists of any putrid, filthy, rotten, decomposed, diseased animal or a vegetable substance, or any disease infested products is used for the production of any product which is unfit for human consumption, is also known as food adulteration. Let us see examples of food adulteration in the food products and their adverse effect. Turmeric, dal, pulse are adulterated with maternal yellow and kesar dal. Maternal yellow is a neurotoxin and hepatotoxin. Kesar dal we all know leads to letharism. Well, maternal yellow is added to increase the eye appeal of the dal, and kesar dal is a cheap substitute of the dal. Addition of malachite green to the green chilies, green peas and green vegetables to increase the bright green color of the vegetable and make it more eye appealing is also a food adulteration, because we all know malachite green is a well known carcinogenic. Adulteration of mustard seed and mustard oil using argemone seed. This is added to increase the bulk and weight, and also the consumption of argemone seed causes bilateral pitting edema of extremities, headache, nausea, glaucoma and breathlessness. Again, when the pepper seed are adulterated with papaya seeds, the papaya seed consumption will lead to severe glaucoma in young children and senior citizens, and it also causes liver and gastric problem. Paneer, koya, condensed milk and milk is adulterated using starch, urea, detergent, formalin, caustic soda to give a thick and rich texture. Starch generally reduces the nutritional value of the ingredient by decreasing the total protein content. Urea causes vomiting, nausea and gastritis. Formalin causes liver disorders. Caustic soda and detergent will lead to the congenital any heart problems due to the presence of sodium and excess of potassium in it. Ice cream, here it is adulterated with pepper oil, ethyl acetate, butyraldehyde, nitrate and detergent. Again, pepper oil, ethyl acetate, can cause severe kidney, lung and heart diseases. Another well-known contaminant that is adulterant found in coffee is tamarind seed and chicory powder. If the manufacturer is 100% true by stating the exact amount of chicory powder found in the coffee, it is not adulterant. If he tries to hide it by adding the chicory powder into the coffee powder, then it is adulteration. Tamarind seed consumption can cause diarrhea, stomach disorder, giddiness and severe joint pain. This is a newspaper clipping which I found in the net regarding the food adulteration. Now let us see about the Government of India's role in the insurance of food safety in India. So it has constituted a governing body, that is FSSI, which is Food Safety Standard Authority of India. It prescribes standard procedures for food that regulates and monitors manufacture, processing, storage, distribution, sale and import of food, so that the food is available safely for human consumption. The key regulations of Food Safety and Standard Authority of India are packaging, labeling, signage, customer notice, license registration, health and sanitary permit. These are the websites of FSSI. Here the first link will give us the entire rule, that legal points of FSSI, that is food prevention,